Hey everyone! Welcome back. March is here, bringing the first signs of spring and, of course, your Social Security payments. Whether you're looking forward to longer days, planning for upcoming expenses, or just making sure your budget is in order, knowing exactly when your payment is coming can help you stay on track. Whether you're relying on Social Security for retirement, disability, survivors, spousal, or veterans benefits, understanding when your payments are coming can make a big difference in planning your finances. And this month, there are some key details you need to know, including slight shifts in when some payments will arrive due to the calendar, important policy updates, and financial changes that might impact your benefits. So make sure to stick around until the end, because missing even one of these details could mean unexpected delays or surprises in your deposit. And before we get started, if you're new here or if you've been watching for a while but haven't subscribed yet, now is a great time. Subscribing helps you stay up to date on payment schedules, financial tips, and other important updates that can help you navigate your benefits. Plus, it's free, and it helps this community grow so we can keep supporting each other. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Now, before we get to the payment schedule, let's talk about some important updates that could impact Social Security. The government is still facing pressure to address long-term funding concerns, and proposed changes are being discussed that could directly affect future payments. One of the biggest debates right now is about adjusting the income cap on payroll taxes. Currently, workers only pay Social Security taxes on wages up to $176,100. Lawmakers are considering raising or eliminating this cap to increase revenue for the program, which could help stabilize benefits in the long run. At the same time, there's growing discussion about potential adjustments to retirement ages. Some proposals suggest gradually increasing the full retirement age beyond 67, while others argue for keeping it the same and focusing on alternative ways to strengthen the program. These discussions are ongoing, but it's a reminder that Social Security isn't set in stone. Policies can change, and it's important to stay informed so you can plan ahead. Now, speaking of planning, let's go over the payment dates for March, because there are a few key things to note. First, the first of the month falls on a Saturday this year, which means if you normally receive your payment on the 1st, you'll actually get it a day earlier, on Friday, February 28th. This applies to Supplemental Security Income (SSI) recipients. If you see a deposit hitting your account early, don't worry, it's not a bonus or an extra check, just an early release since banks don't process payments on weekends. If you've been receiving Social Security benefits since before May 1997, or if you receive both Social Security and SSI, your payment will arrive on Monday, March 3rd. This is your regular payment date, so there's no change there. For those who started receiving Social Security after May 1997, your payment date is based on your birthday. Here's how that works. If your birthday falls between the 1st and the 10th of any month, your payment will be deposited on Wednesday, March 12th. If your birthday is between the 11th and the 20th, you'll receive your payment on Wednesday, March 19th. And if your birthday is between the 21st and the 31st, your deposit will arrive on Wednesday, March 26th. So, be sure to check your payment date based on when you were born, and if you have direct deposit, your money should hit your account first thing in the morning on those days. Now, let's talk about some other updates that could impact your benefits. The Social Security Fairness Act was officially signed into law on January 5, 2025. This is a big deal, especially for retirees who spent their careers in public service. If you're a teacher, firefighter, police officer, or another public sector worker, you may have been affected by the Windfall Elimination Provision (WEP) and Government Pension Offset (GPO). These provisions reduce Social Security benefits for retirees who also earn pensions from non-covered employment. But now, thanks to this new law, those penalties are officially gone. The elimination of WEP and GPO means that affected retirees will see their monthly Social Security benefits increase. And, since the law is retroactive to January 2024, lump sum payments will be issued to compensate for underpaid benefits from the past year. If this applies to you, expect to see those adjustments in the coming months. And, let's not forget about the cost of living adjustment, COLA. If you noticed an increase in your check starting in January, that's because the 2025 COLA was 2.5%, which raised the average retirement benefit by about $49 per month. For those at full retirement age, the maximum monthly benefit is now $4,018. While this increase helps offset inflation, many people feel that rising costs, especially for essentials like groceries and healthcare, are outpacing these adjustments. And if you're feeling that too, you're not alone. Another thing to keep in mind is Medicare Part B premiums. If you have Part B, the standard monthly premium went up this year, and it's automatically deducted from your Social Security payment. If your check seemed a little lower than expected, this increase might be why. Now, if you're working while collecting Social Security, here's something important. The earnings limit for 2025 is now $23,400 if you're under full retirement age. That means if you make more than this, the SSA will withhold $1 for every $2 you earn above the limit. If you're reaching full retirement age this year, the earnings threshold is $62,160, and $1 will be withheld for every $3 earned above that. But once you hit full retirement age, those limits disappear, and any benefits that were withheld will be recalculated and added back into future payments. And one last reminder, if your payment doesn't show up when you expect it, the SSA recommends waiting 3 business days before reaching out to them. Payment delays can happen, but in most cases, they resolve on their own without needing to call. And let's talk about something important: avoiding scams. Unfortunately, Social Security recipients are often targeted by scammers trying to steal personal information or benefits. If you ever get a call, text, or email claiming to be from the Social Security Administration demanding immediate payment or personal details, it's likely a scam. The SSA will never ask for your bank info or payment over the phone. If something sounds urgent, suspicious, or too good to be true, hang up and contact the SSA directly using their official number. And if you've received a scam attempt recently, drop a comment below so we can help spread awareness. So, now that we've covered the key dates and updates for March, take a moment to check your payment schedule, review your budget, and make any adjustments you need. Even small changes, like tracking your expenses, cutting back on unnecessary spending, or making sure your direct deposit information is up to date, can help you stay financially stable. And before you go, let me know in the comments if you have any questions about your Social Security payment or if there's anything else you'd like me to cover in a future update. I always love hearing from you, and your comments help shape what I talk about next. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for spending some time with me today. Take care, and I'll see you next time.